Following on from my sprocket discussion, I want to know whether my chain is rooted. Do I need to replace it? There are a number of telltale signs. The first one is kinks in the chain. This indicates that it's possible that you may have one or more chain links that are frozen. If you grab each side of the link with a couple of pairs of pliers, you'll be able to feel whether that link really moves smoothly or not, or whether it really is frozen. This is what happened with my original equipment chain. You can see it here on the bench. I'm just going through, and there you go, there's one that's frozen. I had a number of these throughout the chain. Even with a set of pliers, you couldn't move it. I oiled this chain after every ride. I believe it's a result of just crap quality on the original equipment chain. And it happened after only 22,000 kilometres. But I've replaced it with a good quality O-ring chain, and I haven't had a problem since. The next indication is tight and loose spots throughout the chain. If it's quite bad, you can see this visually just by moving the wheel around. But if you measure it, you can tell exactly. So just move a little, measure, move a little again, and measure to see whether you've got loose spots and tight spots in the chain. This indicates the chain's probably just about dead. Fortunately, this chain is nice and healthy. Lastly, if your chain and or sprockets are really rooted, you'll be able to pull the chain away from the back sprocket. You can see here that I'm pulling as hard as I can, and there's just a tiny bit of movement, indicating that there is a tiny bit of wear there, but it's not bad. A worn chain and sprocket will allow you to significantly pull that chain away from the sprocket. Of course, you should always keep your chain tension within spec, but just an extra minute or two can sometimes help you pick the problem before it gets really bad.